In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to start your own home-based business. Many popular businesses such as Microsoft and Apple started their journey in a garage. If you have similar aspirations, start the process by learning how to start a small business at home. The process is similar to opening a brick and mortar business, sometimes with lower start-up cost. Some of the steps are different, such as the need to obtain an at-home business license and learning online marketing. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be notified anytime I post a new video. And I post at least 3 videos a week. Let's get started with the topic of the day. So, searching for ways to make money online usually results in a lot of rubbish, such as getting paid to read emails or complete surveys or paying money to buy useless ebooks and courses for that magic formula. You should ignore all that easy way to make money online nonsense. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, then it probably is. So how do you build a business and make money? Basically, there are 3 ways, which are affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or offering a service. In this video, I will go through these options with you so you can choose the one that is right for you. Now, the first method is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically a relationship between the advertiser, the publisher, and the consumer. The advertiser is anyone who has a business and is willing to pay someone else to help him or her to promote or sell his or her product. The publisher, on the other hand, is that company or individual who promotes a product or service from an advertiser in exchange for a commission. The advertiser will work with the publisher on contract and will provide the publisher with creative data that they can incorporate into their website for purposes of promoting the product or service. The consumer now is the one who takes an action after seeing the advertisement. The action the consumer takes will transfer him or her from the publisher's website to that of the advertiser so as to complete the action they had decided to take, which is known as a conversion. So, in other words, or in short, affiliate marketing is a process in which an affiliate attains a commission for marketing another company's products or services. The affiliate simply promotes a product on their platform and subsequently earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. So, if you haven't gotten a product to sell or a service to offer to other people, affiliate marketing is a good place to start. The general idea behind affiliate marketing is that you promote someone else's product and that person pays you a commission. The publisher will supply you with a web page that you can promote, which is commonly known as a gateway page. This way, the publisher knows which affiliates got the sale, as they can track which gateway the order came through. So the publisher deals with all the other processing and delivery, while you just focus on the promotion of your gateway page. So if you're looking for an opportunity like affiliate companies, you just need to go to Google and type affiliate companies. While using Google and scan the listing for anything that the top paying affiliate program or something similar. So look for products that you think you can offer on your website or on your blog. Some companies offer different size banners that you can put on your website, which could result in a sale if one of your visitors clicks on the banner and makes a purchase. So look at what the product and much commission is being offered. So I'm going to give you top 15 top affiliate programs for this year 2020. Okay, so as an affiliate marketer, you've got one thing on your mind, that is performance. So to get the best performance of your affiliate campaigns, it's worth trying out a few platforms to see what works for you. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or more advanced with some experience behind you, here are 15 affiliate marketing programs for you to check out. See what kind of offers are available on the most popular platforms to help you achieve your best conversions and even build a steady long-term income. So let's dive into the examples. The first one we have on the list is Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network. We have Share a Sale. We have ClickBank, we have CG Affiliate, we have Partner Stack, sorry. We have Fever Affiliate Program, we have Shopify, we have Recruited Marketing Affiliate, we have Lead Pages Partner Program, Studio Press Affiliate Website, Bluehost Affiliate Program, ConvertKit Affiliate Program, Max Bounty Affiliate Program, Google AdSense. You will find the links to all this in the description below, or you can just search for them in Google. Okay. So note that some companies offer a network marketing option, which is often referred to as a pyramid scheme. So I am not suggesting these companies should be avoided. So you could also think of network marketing, but just be very careful with which marketing or network marketing you're picking. Well, I have some examples also that I will also leave a link in the description. So especially if you are asking for a membership fee. So if you are unsure about a company, I recommend you enter a search term as company name scam, like and see what the public says. So there are many people who use the line, "Is this company a scam?" as part of their review of a company in order to promote it. Make sure you read as much as you can from other people. There are many network marketing companies that you can join as well. Comment down below if you're interested in network marketing as well. I will also provide you links for some companies I'm in the description section below. So we're going to see the second way of making money online through affiliate marketing, which is by selling your own product. So your own product could be something you create yourself, such as a book or a piece of software. You can earn a good income if you can write or program. Information marketing is quite popular, as people are often searching for how to do something. Maybe you can make fancy jewelry and you want to teach others how to do it. So if you have a good knowledge of something or a skill, then you can share it with the world through an ebook. So Amazon also allow you to submit your book to them, and they will offer it for sale on their website. So below here we can find 10 things to make and sell for cash. So you can make bath bombs and soaps. You can also do t-shirts and printed merchandise. You can also make jewelries. You can make curated gifts and subscription boxes. You can do candles, sweets, candies, and then you can also do art and prints. You can do digital products. You can do enamel paint. The list is unlimited. You can also do traditional handcraft goods, which you can sell. So basically anything you can create yourself can be sold online, either through yourself or through a retailer who is willing to stock the product for you. Of course, the product doesn't have to be something you made. You can buy and sell items through eBay and Amazon. There are wholesalers who offer products in bulk, which you can also sell on the market or on a car boot sale. So you can also pick things at cheap. You can also pick things up cheap from car boot sales and make a profit of them. So everyone likes to eat. So if you can cook or bake, you can sell food. Of course, you will need to make sure you have the necessary health and hygiene certificate before you start. So the general idea is to offer products that people want. So lastly, I'm going to also show you the affiliate marketing method, which is offering a service. So a service is a product or offering that has intangible elements. Services offer something non-physical that you can't reach out and touch, but that has a value nonetheless. So have you gotten a skill you could offer to people? Maybe you can repair computers or cars. Maybe you are good at gardening. Maybe you can offer custom-made furniture. If you are a dab hand with a set of tools, or you are good at painting and decorating, and then that is something you can turn into a profitable business. Build yourself a website, get some cards printed, and spread the word in your community. List your services in your advertising and make sure your prices are competitive in your area. Think of your talents and how you can use them to make money. The services that organizations utilize are called business services. Unlike product or goods, services are intangible. A large part of the business industry is present in the service sector. There are different types of business services based on the sector they cater to. So these business services provide various aspects of the industry. which the goods or product cannot provide. Following are a few types of business services: management services, software services, consulting services, training services, financial services, marketing services, travel services, catering services, distribution and supply chain services, designing services, construction services, waste management services, security services, personal services, or even employment services. Ultimately, starting an online business is similar to starting a business with a physical storefront. You will need to study the market trends and your location. So the main idea is to fill a gap, start locally and grow globally. So here I come to the end of the presentation of how you can start your own home-based business. So if you have any question about starting a home-based business online, or you have some tips to offer your fellow entrepreneurs, comment down below. And if you're looking for business opportunities, also check out other videos as you prepare to launch. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos like this. Like, comment, and share the video to your friends if you find value in it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.